Welcome to our channel. Here is the complete step-by-step guide to verify your Instacart Shopper account and get started earning fast. Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Instacart Shopper account is a straightforward process that opens the door to earning as a grocery delivery driver. Here is how to do it step by step. First, start by downloading the Instacart Shopper app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and select the option to create a new shopper account. Make sure you enter your details accurately, including your full name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will be prompted to provide some essential documents. The primary documents required are a valid government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and proof of eligibility to work. If requested, carefully upload clear and legible photos of these documents to avoid delays. After submitting your information, the app will ask you to complete a background check consent form. This is a standard part of the process to ensure safety and trust between shoppers and customers. Agree to the terms and provide your consent by following the on-screen instructions after completing the background check. The verification process may take a few days. Instacart typically notifies you by email or in-app messages. When your account verification status changes, once approved, you will receive a welcome message, along with important information on how to start accepting orders. If you encounter any issues during the verification process, make sure to check for app updates or contact Instacart Shopper support through the help section within your app. It's also a good practice to review their official guidelines on their website to ensure no documents or steps are missing. Remember, accuracy and patience are key to completing verification smoothly. Once verified, you can log into the app, set your availability, and start accepting orders to earn money by shopping and delivering groceries to customers. Enjoy your new role and the flexibility that comes with being an Instacart shopper.